The poor frogs couldn't eat in peace because when frogs came out of the pond for eating, Hopper attacked on them. That's why the frogs couldn't eat peacefully. Hopper watched every day as Toby chased his friends and family and thought to himself, one day, Toby, I'm gonna trick you for all the pouncing attack you do. Because Hopper was watching every day that how Toby was chasing his friends and family. That's why he thought to himself that one day, Toby, I will trick you for all the attacks you have done on my family or friend. For all that attacks, I will give you punishment. He had prepared a plan for escaping all Toby's plots. He had prepared a plan from which he can punish Toby also, and he could save himself also. His plan was simple. One day he sat at the edge of the pond, at means border. One day he sat at the border of the pond awaiting Toby's arrival, and he was waiting for the Toby. As the shadow grew longer and the sky turned red, he spotted Toby's stroll down. As the time was passing and there was a late afternoon, Toby came there. Menace means danger. Menace was clear in his eyes. Danger was clear in Toby's eyes. Hopper exclaimed. Exclaimed means shout. His mother, Hopper's mother, shout to Hopper that Toby coming straight at you. Get out of there. Get out from that place. Toby is coming straight at you. Relax, mom. Answer Hopper calmly. Hopper replied to his mother, relax, mom. I know what I am doing. He felt a burst of confidence, means trust, at his bold plan. He was having trust on his plan. That's why he replied to his mother, relax, mom. I know what I am doing. Closer and closer Toby came, licking his paw and smacking his lips. Closer and closer means near and near. ठीक है? And Toby was coming near to Hopper and he was licking his paw and smacking means sound of lips. The other frogs skipped about, but Hopper remained still. When other frogs saw that Toby was coming, they jumped from their place and they hid any other place. But Hopper was still there. Meow. This is the sound of cow. I'm not gonna have any fun this evening. Toby said, I didn't do any fun today. The cat complained, why don't you jump around a bit so? Because other frogs jumped when Toby came, but Hopper was not jumping. That's why the cat said, why are you not jumping? So I can get some exercise. If you will jump, then I will also follow you. Then this way there will be some exercise for me. Oh, I promise you, I have a ball of time. You will have a ball of time. Then Hopper replied that I promise you that I will give you this chance also. The brave frog replied to Toby that I will give you the chance for exercise also. Toby suddenly leaped. Leaped means jumped. Toby suddenly jumped towards Hopper, who jumped out of the way and into the pond just before Toby's wicked claws landed on the spot he had been on a moment ago. Hopper landed on a lily pad and just grown that had just grown out of the pond. It was the only one. The lily pad shuddered as Hopper onto it but remained afloat. Toby suddenly leaped means jumped towards Hopper, who jumped